Hello, this is Aaron Wissner of Local Future. Today is November the 1st, 2020. It's a Sunday, and the U.S. election is 2 days away on Tuesday. It's been a record turnout so far with early voting and absentee voting, and the candidates are moving around through the swing states trying to garner every single vote that they can. Here in Michigan, it's snowing today, the first snow of the season for the area I live in, and the candidates are back. In fact, let's take a look at where the candidates are at the moment. Moving around, it seems like we have candidates. Yeah, let me show you this slide so you can have some idea. So the president, Donald, is going to be in Macomb County this morning and about half an hour from now. And then he is going to, let's see, Iowa, North Carolina, Georgia, and Florida. So clearly his campaign thinks those are the big swing states: Michigan, Iowa, North Carolina, Georgia, and Florida. And then on Monday, he's coming back to Michigan to go to Traverse City, which is in the upper part of Michigan, right here. And then he is going to be in Grand Rapids, Michigan, which is the closest city to where I live, which I find very interesting since Nicole and I have been talking about politics and how Michigan is this swing state, which had it gone to Clinton 4 years ago, she would have ended up president. So it's so interesting because let's take a look at the election results from 4 years ago. And here is the presidential election. And here are the results. And if you look closely here, you can see that neither candidate took 50% of the presidential vote in Michigan. In fact, they were less than 1% from each other. They were 1/5 of 1%, 0.2% from each other. Had a few more people voted for Clinton, for example, had she come to Michigan a couple times before the election, or had the Libertarians voted for Clinton, or had the Greens even voted for Clinton, or even, I don't know if the US taxpayers would have been quite enough. Let's see, that's almost 69,000 plus 10 would be 79,000. Yeah, so even if the taxpayers had voted for Clinton, then they would have taken that. And so this may be the same case this year in Michigan, where it is so close, so very close, that those third party candidates, if those voters would just vote for a candidate, then it would make a big difference. I've heard of voters as recently as last night saying they might only not vote for Donald. They don't want Donald to be president again, but they can't seem to bring themselves to vote for Joe, which it's mind-boggling, because essentially everybody has two votes, that they're voting for a person and they are not voting for a person. I mean, if you think about it, if it's a tie vote and you go in and you vote, your candidate has one extra, but if you vote for the other candidate, then the other candidate has one extra. So it's really kind of a difference from one way to the other of two. And so choosing a candidate, and clearly Nicole has been siding with Joe, listing any number of reasons that Donald is a fascist and how did she put it? What's the right word for it? Sociopath, I believe, is one of the words she's used. So what we're going to do is we're going to attempt a live show this week, but not on election night, because tomorrow night or Tuesday night, because I think a lot of people will already be watching their Facebook feed and they'll be watching their TV news. But instead, we're going to do it a day later, and we will see exactly what's going on as far as the candidates and the states where the absentee ballots haven't come in because of the mail sorting machines being removed and all the court cases, and which candidate is going to claim that they won. Are they going to both claim that they won? So that will be 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time now, and 6 p.m. for Nicole. I don't even know what time that is because we just this morning changed our clocks back an hour in the US, and I don't think New Zealand is on the same time. So Wednesday, if you want to try to join us live, we will try to live stream to YouTube, and then you can chat in the chat box. We invite that, and we will talk about what's going on. And it seems it's pointed to being quite a mess. And Michigan seems to be one of the states that is right in the crosshairs. And again, with Donald landing tomorrow night, Monday night, in Grand Rapids at whatever time it said. Let's see, 10:30 p.m. So yeah, that's what we'll do. So thanks for watching this short video, and I hope you can join us this coming Wednesday. So that would be the 4th of November 2020, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Nicole and I will be chatting about, and we'll be reading the comments and responding, and we hope to see you there. Thanks very much. Like and share and comment and subscribe.